So the hardest part here for most people is like just realizing which angle they're talking about. Let's go to number. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. So for number one, this is just like the segment thing where you're adding up two pieces to get the whole piece, or you're subtracting a piece to get the small piece. It's just with angles instead of sides. Marty? It doesn't give me the sense that you're paying attention when you're standing up and like looking at your desk. Charlie, it doesn't give me the sense that you're paying attention when you're looking for Wi-Fi there and taking a picture. I know. But I guess I'm saying you could wait till I'm like done teaching. Okay, so LKJ. So LKJ is this big guy here. So it's the whole thing together. And that's what you're looking for. It says 5 measure. And then it tells you LKR is 77. So L, start at L, go to K, then go to R. So this guy is 77. And then RKJ, so go from R to K to J, this little guy, that's 45. And then if this part's 77 and this part's 45, and I want to know the whole thing, what do I do with those two numbers? Just add them up. So 77 plus 45, that'll give you 122. So every one of these is either adding or subtracting. Number 2 is the opposite. Questions on one before I go forward? Number 2 is the opposite. So find GHL. So GHL, that's this little guy. This is what I'm looking for, that little piece there. I know GHI, which is the very outside, so the whole deal is 168. And I know LHI is 146. So this is just like if I had like, this is 2, the whole thing is 6, you know, what would go here? So you're subtracting. So minus 6 minus 2, in this case, it would give me 4. This is just another example. But you're going to subtract here because you're looking for the smaller piece, not the bigger piece. So 168 minus 146. Now give me 22. Okay for 1 and 2. So I'll keep going. That's it. That's all I got for now. So if you want to just go ahead of me, that's totally fine. If you want to stay with me, that's fine too. GHI, that is the whole deal here. That is 105. RHI, so R to H plus U to I is 52. GHR is what we're looking for. So we're looking for the smaller piece, which means we subtract. So 105 minus 52. We alright? Before, I'll just do one more. TUD, so start at T, go to U, go to D. That little guy's 40. So that's the whole thing. Is 165. And then this dub DUV is what I'm looking for. So we're looking for the smaller bit, not the total. So we're adding or subtracting? Subtracting. So 165 minus 40 would be 125. You okay? So we're going to do the algebra ones also. I learned in teaching school, watch how like long this is. You're supposed to wait, as a teacher, I've learned I was supposed to wait 7 seconds after I ask if there's any questions. So just watch how like freakishly long this is. Alright, I'm done with 1 through 4. Any questions? Oh, now I gotta start over, because someone said something. That's not. Isn't that like Anyway, keep going. You're going up to 20, and then we'll do the algebra ones after that. you're going to 20 for right now. 1 through 20. They go pretty fast. You're just adding and subtracting. Right in the corner of the desk. No, right here. You're good. Keep going towards me. Right there. Yeah. No, I'm sorry. That's the worksheet I want you to grab. Oh. I don't care where you put the yellow stuff. Or where you can keep my bad. So if you're looking for, if I give you the total, like the big outside piece, you're going to subtract. If you're looking for the big outside piece, say like 5-10 minutes, then we'll move forward together. Wait, were you done with that, or was it like that? Oh, okay. small one. Like 2-3 minutes, I'll go start going through the algebra ones. We got a few of those on there too. Alright, let's go back together. So even if you're not done with that first part yet, just stop where you are so you can watch me do these. And you'll have more time. Alright, so it's the same stuff, but now we're throwing algebra in. So I'm going to give you the big angle. So this entire thing is 119. And then HGB, which is this little guy, is 15x. And then BGF is over here. That's 25x minus 1. So, like if these were numbers, you know that like this plus this, these two added together, has to give you the 119. But we're going to do the same thing, we're just doing it with letters. And we added them up before. You guys liked, I think most of you liked it better when I added them up like this. Like vertically. The 15x doesn't have like a number there, so you just throw it right. And then I'm going to add straight down. So what's 25x plus 15x? 40x. And then the negative 1, there's nothing with it, so it just stays there. And then you're going to set it equal. Like you added those two up, so you're going to set it equal to the overall total, equal to 119. You add up the two things, and you set it equal to what the total is. And then we're going to solve that. So how do I get rid of this minus 1? Add 1, add 1. So I get 40x equals 120. Then I can divide by 40. And I get that x is 3. And again, you can pass the test if you don't know the algebra. But obviously you want to get as many points as you can, so I want to practice. Questions on that one? I'll do one more, but where'd you get this? Why'd you do this? Anything? So I'll do 22 also. So we're looking for, so I know WVU, the whole thing is 137. I'm going to add these two things up to get to it. So this is really 16x plus 7. No, this is 4x plus 10. This is 16x plus 7. But you're going to add those up. I'm going to go straight down. So 16x plus 4x, 20x. 7 plus 10, 17. And then what do I do with that? No. Equals what? Equals 137. 37. So I set the total equal to like the total. And then I solve this. So from here, but I mean that's the hard part is getting to here, I think. Is getting to here. Which is not what I'm doing. So then I'm gonna subtract 17. 20x will equal 120. And then if you divide by 20, that comes out to 6. So I want you to go ahead and do the back. I think there's like 5 more. And then we got more after that.